All right, what's going on, guys? So the date today is August 19th, 2024. So going into the day, price took the previous daily high on ES, came back down into the range, rejected off of this 4-hour fair value gap, and I'm anticipating price to take out these highs. At the high right here, we created an SMT. Um, Currently, price is rejecting off the previous daily high. What I think this is doing is rejecting this high, coming back into the range, creating some sort of price action for then us to continue taking price higher, right? And on NQ, same kind of thing. Price took the previous daily high, created an SMT. So this is my target for today. Price came back into the range, and right now, currently, I think what price is trying to do is create some sort of manipulation move for us to continue higher. So I'm gonna stick to the bias of longs, and I'm just gonna be patient and wait for an entry. And yeah, so in order for me to take any longs, I want to see a clear manipulation move and then some sort of clear entry model. Like it needs to be dumb clear because I have my target now. So the manipulation needs to be clear and then my entry needs to be clear. So once I can see those things and identify those three things, then um, I'll be looking to enter some positions. Yeah, because I think yeah, ES is taking these highs now. So what this either is indicating is that it's showing their strength in the marketplace. So I could take some sort of entry off NQ to the highs, or potentially because this is a really significant SMT here from this high to this high to this high, right? Um, so obviously this pattern could be showing shorts, but I'm not gonna partake in any of that. And this potentially could be a rushed entry, in my opinion. I would have wanted to see some sort of like a more significant manipulation or an SMT. But this is the trap usually, right? Because look at the models, right? So this trap will become present in areas you'll want to buy. So ES SMT took the high, and NQ holds, right? So here you can see ES is taking the high and NQ's holding structure right here, right? So this could be a one of those manipulation sell traps, but we'll just have to see, to be honest. Okay, so now that we got this down move, I think this is the manipulation. So ideally, I'm just gonna wait for some sort of entry model um, to take the highs out. So just gonna be patient now.
Order filled.
BRB chat. My bad. I was in the washroom. But basically while I was in the washroom, the trade ran a 1-to-1, so I moved my stop to break even. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be targeting the previous daily high. So ES currently took that weekly objective target. This buy side liquidity right here. But yeah, we have yet to touch that high. So honestly, I could see price coming up all the way here today, but we'll just have to see and be patient.
Order filled.
Alright, so we got stopped out at a 1-to-1, so I made $500 today. Unfortunately, price didn't come into my 1-to-2, but I managed this trade very well, so yeah, I can't be upset about it at all. Let's just recap what happened over the session. So initially, price took the previous daily high, created an SMT, so this was the target I would have wanted to see. Price came back into the range, and because of how bullish price is, we also have this upside target and this SMT target right here. I only wanted to take long positions, right? So I hopped on the charts around 9:30, so around this time here, and we started to create price action to the downside, right? But this right here, I was able to identify that this is the sell trap that I always get caught in, or that I used to get caught in previous sessions. So it was pretty much, price was showing me SMTs on in this area here to sell, right? Referring to my model, right? So this was that right here. So SMT manipulation reversal trap framework for how to identify, counter, and trade the trap in a buy scenario. So this trap will become present in areas you'll want to buy. So disguising itself as a SMT sell model, right? So usually in SMT sells, this is what I like to see. I like to see ES manipulate and NQ hold, right? But this happens in a higher time frame selling point of interest, right? But sometimes it will appear right before price is about to reverse to make you think that it's gonna that price is gonna sell off, right? But this is just a manipulation trap. So this stab down, this SMT is created to push price lower, to manipulate price so that you can take it higher. So that's exactly what happened here, right? SMT, right? Because this is created in higher highs, higher high. This is created lower lows, right? So this SMT here, right? This, and alongside that, we were also reacting off of a 1 hour fair value gap here, 4 hour fair value gap, right? So I could have really got confused and taken shorts, but because I was able to have this reference model drawn up, it helped me identify this trap a lot better. From there, on the 5 minute, 1 minute, pretty much, price created this swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. We broke structure right here from the previous high. And then on the 5 minute, there was an inversion right here and a fair value gap right there. So I entered right here to take price higher with a target of a 1-to-2. Ideally, I wanted to target these highs, but unfortunately, price retraced back and hit my my stop loss. So I got stopped out 1% in profit. So I made $517 today. Yeah. So ideally, honestly, this trading session today was a good start to the week. I'm really happy with my performance. I was able to really utilize my models that I created. And this is just one step forward to building good habits. I do still think this high is going to be taken, but it's probably rejecting off of this fair value gap right here, right? It's probably what's happening. I'm glad that I was able to utilize my models today. And no long talks about this session because this was a really good session. Simple as that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize on the full move, but I stuck to my rules and that's all that matters, right? So So yeah, peace and love. See y'all tomorrow.